Scrap metal welding projects are an exquisite blend of creativity, skills, and sustainability. These projects not only showcase the artistic powers of the welder, but also highlight the potential of transforming discarded metal into a stunning work of art or a functional item. Whether you are a seasoned welder or a beginner, the allure of scrap metal welding lies in its ability to breathe a new life into that was once considered a waste. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. So let's get started the creative process. At the heart of scrap metal welding project is the creative process. Each piece of scrap metal carries its own history and the character, making it a unique building block for a larger creation. Welders often start by collecting a various types of scrap metal such as old tools, car parts, industrial machinery, and the household items. The diversity of material available in a treasure trove for those with the imaginative mind. Once material are gathered, the next step is to envision the final piece. This could be anything from life-size sculpture or animal, the functional piece of furniture like this one. The freedom of design without constraints and the standardized material allow for an endless array of the possibilities. It's a chance to think outside the box and create something truly unique and one of a kind. Scrap metal welding requires a range of skill and the techniques, from cutting, shaping the metal, the actual welding process. Each step demands a precise and the expertise. Welder must be familiar with the different type of metals, their properties, and with the knowledge of influence, how the piece can manipulate it and join together. The welding process itself is a form of artistry. It involves not only fusing a piece of metal but also ensuring that the joints are strong, aesthetically pleasing. Techniques such as MIG metal insert gas welding, TIG tungsten insert gas welding, and the ARC welding are commonly used, each offering a different benefits and challenges. Mastering this technique takes up practice and the patience, but the results are incredibly rewarding and wonderful. One of the most compelling aspects of scrap metal welding project is their positive impact on the environment. You can reduce your carbon footprint by repurposing scrap metal. Welders contribute to reducing waste by converging on natural resources. This form of upcycling helps decrease and demand for a new material, which is turn reduce the energy consumption and the environmental damage with the mining and the manufacturing process. Moreover, the creating art or functional item from scrap metal emphasize the importance of sustainability and the resourcefulness. It serves as a reminder that beauty and utility can found in a most unexpected place, and that with a little creativity you can make a significant difference in how we use and dispose materials. Scrap metal welding projects also have a power to bring communities together. Workshops and the collaborations project often involve group of people working toward a common goal, whether it's a constructing a public art installation or a creative item for the community fundraisers. These activities foster a sense of camaraderie and the collective achievement. strengthen the social bonds and promoting a shared value of creativity and sustainability. Many communities host events such as scrap metal sculpture competitions, exhibitions, and the markets where welders showcase their work. These events not only highlight the talent and innovation with the community, but also inspire them to explore their own creativity potential. By sharing techniques and ideas, welders can learn from each other and push the boundaries of what can we achieve with the scrap metal. For many welders, working with scrap metal is a deeply fulfilling endeavor. It offers an outlet for artistic expression and the tangible way to bring their vision to life. The process of transforming raw discarded metal into something beautiful, dares, or a useful provide profound sense of accomplishment. Each project journey of a discovery where a challenge must be overcome and new skills are often learned. The final product is not just a testament of the welder technical abilities but also a reflection of their creativity and the personal style. The uniqueness of each piece ensures that no two projects are ever the same, making each creation a distinctive work of art. Scrap metal welding projects are a celebration of creativity, skills, and the sustainability. They often an existing way to repurpose discarded metal, turning them into a beautiful or the functional item that can be enjoyed for the year to come. The process requires a blend of technical knowledge and the artistic vision, making it both challenging and deeply rewarding. By engaging scrap metal welding, welders contribute to the environmental conversation and inspire others to see the potential in materials often deemed as a waste. Other working alone as a part of communities to joy or creating something unique and meaningful for scrap metal is an experience that resonates the both personal and the communal levels. In this world increasingly focused on the sustainability and the resourcefulness, scrap metal welding projects stand out as a shining example of how can creativity and effectively make use of what we already have. Scrap metal welding projects are beautiful fusion of art, skill, and sustainability. They transform a discarded metal into a unique creation, demonstrate a potential of beauty and utility in what was once considered a waste. The creative process involved vision, imagination, and while the technical execution required precision and expertise. These projects to environmental conservation by repurposing scrap metal into a reduced waste. They foster community collaboration with the provide educational opportunities, promotion creativity and the sustainability. For the welder, they offer personal fulfillment and the profound connection of their work. In the world increasingly focused on the sustainability, scrap metal welding projects stand out as a testament to the human integrity and the transformative power of the creativity. They remind us that with the vision and skill, we can turn even the most unlikely materials into something extraordinary. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Rest of the video is here. Please watch our complete video. We have a large amount of welding project ideas in this video. Thanks for being here. Thank you so much.